Basil, scientifically known as Ocimum basilicum, is an aromatic herb belonging to the mint family, widely recognized for its culinary uses. Basil also boasts a rich history of medicinal applications in various cultures around the world. Basil is a popular herb known for its distinctive aroma and flavor. It offers various health benefits and is widely used in culinary applications. Health benefits of basil: rich in nutrients. Basil is a good source of vitamins A, K, and C, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Antioxidant properties: it contains compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols, which have powerful antioxidant effects. These antioxidants help the body fight against free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory: basil contains essential oils including eugenol, which exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption may help in reducing inflammation in the body. Heart health: basil contains compounds that support cardiovascular health. It helps lower cholesterol levels and regulates blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Antimicrobial properties: basil has natural antimicrobial properties that can help combat various infections and harmful bacteria. Digestive health: basil can aid in digestion and alleviate symptoms of indigestion. It also acts as a mild laxative. Culinary uses of basil. Pesto: basil is a key ingredient in traditional pesto sauce, blended with garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. It creates a delicious sauce for pasta or sandwiches. Salads: fresh basil leaves add a burst of flavor to salads, enhancing their taste and aroma. Soups and stews: basil is often used in soups and stews, imparting a unique taste to the dishes. Pizza: basil leaves are a popular topping for pizzas. They can be added fresh, before or after baking to enhance the pizza's taste. Infused oils: basil infused oils are used to add flavor to various dishes, including pasta and grilled vegetables. Tea: basil tea is a popular herbal beverage for its calming effects. It is made by steeping fresh or dried basil leaves in hot water. Remember, incorporating fresh basil into your diet not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also brings numerous health benefits. And also, basil holds cultural and religious significance in various traditions, symbolizing purity, protection, and good luck. Remember that while basil has many potential benefits, it's essential to consume it as part of a balanced diet and consult a healthcare professional for specific medical concerns. Additionally, individuals with allergies or medical conditions should exercise caution when using basil or basil-derived